My perspective right now is like there's two ways of applying AI. There's a systemic way. There is a sort of at employee level way. For me, anybody who is in business right now that doesn't have an Anthropic Claude for Teams plan, you're blowing it. So please go do that, number one. At an individual level, right, you can do things like you can connect your Zoom or Teams, your Gmail or Microsoft email. You can also connect your Salesforce or HubSpot. So at a rep level, as an example, the amount of sort of contextual information you can draw on by fusing your mailbox, your CRM, and all the call recordings you have with prospects, clients, etc., is absurd. Everybody can do this today. You can run scheduled workflows. You can build projects. You can build skill files. Like all of this stuff should be getting done everywhere, but that's still at like a rep level. At a systemic level, you need like go-to-market infrastructure. That's where I still think Clay.com has a really good place in the market, where to me, like if you want to build systemic workflow automation across, as an example, your entire Zoom database or Teams database, your entire email archive, as well as the entirety of your CRM or first-party data, Clay is a great environment by which to bring all that together, agentically workflow it, and then deliver what is effectively systemic results. But right now, like I've been scared by AI 3 times. And the first time was when ChatGPT came out and I was like, this is going to change everything. The second was actually when I found Clay.com and figured out workflow automation was going to fundamentally change how sales and marketing programs work. The third was actually pretty recently when I figured out that in Claude, you could take all of the things that I was doing in Clay and at an individual level, you could workshop those exact same workflows. And I really got scared. I was like, the only thing I'm sure of at this very moment is Anthropic is worth $1 trillion. Outside of that, I don't know what the future is going to look like. And that's been something that I've been spending an incredible amount of time trying to figure out so I can advise clients and obviously, illustrate that to the sort of network that I have.